Have you ever wished you could reuse a specific design or function across multiple pages in WordPress without rebuilding it every single time? Well, that's exactly what shortcodes are for. And today, I'll show you how to create your own shortcode for anything in WordPress, easily and quickly. So let's jump right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open any page or post in the editor. Inside the editor, click on the little plus icon. That's the block inserter. Now, in the search bar, type shortcode and select the shortcode block from the list. Once it's added, you'll see a small box where you can paste or type your shortcode. For example, if you have a contact form, a custom layout, or even a specific embed link you often use, you can simply enter its shortcode here, like my shortcode, instead of recreating it each time. The beauty of shortcodes is how flexible they are. You can use them to insert forms, buttons, layouts, or even dynamic content with just a single line. So next time you're building a WordPress page, remember, instead of repeating the same elements, create a shortcode once and use it everywhere. It saves time, keeps your site consistent, and makes your workflow way smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to experiment with your own custom shortcodes. You'll be amazed how much easier it makes managing your WordPress content.